unlocking the joy in many happy returns. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic that's not only interesting but also enriches your understanding of English expressions. We're going to dive into the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, many happy returns. It's a phrase you might have heard in birthday wishes or during festive occasions. But have you ever wondered what it truly means? Stay tuned as we unfold this charming expression. The phrase, many happy returns, is a traditional greeting used to wish someone a happy birthday, and it can also be extended to other celebratory occasions like anniversaries or the New Year. But what does it actually mean? Essentially, when you say, many happy returns, to someone, you're expressing your wish for their happiness to return to them many times over. It's a beautiful way of saying you hope their joy and the specialness of this day come back repeatedly in the future. Now, let's look back at where this phrase came from. The term, many happy returns, has been in use since at least the 18th century. It's believed to originate from a time when social and personal greetings were more formal. The full expression was often, many happy returns of the day, which was a way of wishing that the person enjoys many more happy days like the one they are currently celebrating. Over time, the phrase was shortened to its current form, maintaining its warm wishes but in a more concise manner. Understanding how to use many happy returns is quite simple. It's most commonly used in verbal greetings or written in birthday cards, messages, and emails. However, its usage isn't limited to birthdays alone. You can use this phrase during the New Year, anniversaries, or any occasion where you wish to hope for continued happiness for someone. Here's a quick example. Imagine it's your friend's birthday. You could say, "Happy birthday, Alex. Many happy returns." It's a lovely addition that adds warmth and depth to your wishes. So, there you have it, the meaning, origin, and usage of many happy returns. We hope this video has not only enlightened you but also added a charming phrase to your English vocabulary. It's a wonderful way to wish someone happiness that keeps on coming, making their special days even more memorable. Thank you for watching, and many happy returns to each of you in all your endeavors. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.